In today's video, I will walk you through how to save chart layouts on investing.com. Ever spend 20 minutes dialing in your favorite indicators, trend lines, and color palettes, only to accidentally close the tab and lose everything? It is one of the most frustrating feelings in trading. Today, we're showing you how to save, name, and instantly reload your chart layouts on investing.com so you never have to rebuild a workspace from scratch again. Let's get into it. First, open up any interactive chart on investing.com and get your workspace looking exactly the way you want it. Load up your preferred technical indicators, whether that's moving averages, Bollinger Bands, or volume profiles. Set your candle colors, background themes, and drawing tools. Once your chart is customized to perfection, look up at the top navigation toolbar. This is where your layout controls live. Clicking the floppy disk icon, or layout drop-down menu at the top right of the chart interface, typing a custom name, and hitting save. The next time you open an interactive chart, simply return to the layout menu. You'll see your saved layouts listed there. Select the layout you want to use, and your saved chart settings will be applied automatically. If you continue refining your chart over time, you can save the changes again. Depending on the available options, you may be able to overwrite the existing layout or save it as a new one with a different name. This gives you the flexibility to maintain multiple chart setups for different trading strategies or market conditions. If you no longer need a saved layout, open the Layout menu, locate the saved layout, and use the available Delete option to keep your list organized. Removing outdated layouts makes it easier to access the ones you use most often. Saving chart layouts is a simple way to improve your workflow and eliminate the need to rebuild your charts every time you analyze the markets. It helps you stay organized and keeps your preferred chart settings ready whenever you need them. And that's how to save chart layouts on investing.com.